So this session is about Math 1103, Unit 6.3, and that is dealing with volume and surface area. Now, this unit is actually not too bad because all you have to do is look at the formulas here and just look for the ones that you need. Now, look at this. The first problem says the volume of this figure is a cube. Now, of course, you know area is length times width. Volume of a cube is just length times width times height. And I will just use this right here. It's a cube right here. So basically it's actually like this. A rectangular solid. So basically it's length times width times height. So that's not too bad. That's just equal to 7 times 10 times 4. So that should be equal to 280. And remember, it's feet, cubic feet, right, to the third power. Let me type this in. Pretty easy, right? I know it'll go a bit weird, but it's correct. Now, the next problem is the same thing. It's a rectangular solid. This one is a little crazy. It's a what do you call a? Let me make a little bigger. So this guy right here is a cylinder. So if you go down here to the cylinder, let me see, that would be volume equals P R square, so times R square times height. So what does that mean? That's the parameter. The P. I'm sorry. The P is the pi. So maybe I should say I do pi just to make it easier. The pi. So pi times radius square times height. So that's equal 3.14. You guys remember that, right? Pi is 3.14. That's right here. Pi equals 3.14. And then multiplied by radius, in this case is 10 centimeter, 10 square, and then multiplied by the height, which is 11. And I'm just gonna make it easier by using a calculator here. So on the right, if you want a copy of this, just let me know. It's basically one you can use on your computer. 3.14 times 10 square, that's square, times 11 equals. So the answer is 3454. Pretty easy. So now this one is you're building a sandbox in your backyard that will be 65 inches long, 35 wide, and 14 tall. That is a rectangular object, a sandbox. So you can just say, just use this. Just use this formula right here. The volume is length times width times height. Just multiply all three, and you'll get it. Next. This guy is saying right. So when they don't give you the shape, it's got to read a word. It says the shape of a right circular. So that'll be like, that's the same thing as this guy right here. Right here. So just use that. And then, so the answer would be 3.14, right? Pi times radius is, what is the radius is? Well, the diameter is 14. So since they say the diameter is 14, you have to divide by 2 to get a radius. So that's 7 square, and then times the height, which is 29. Just use your calculator, right? 3.14 times 7 square, which is 49, times 29. equals. Right, so not too bad. 4461.94. Done. This one is, you just gotta keep looking. It's this guy. So not this. This is a cone. It's got a circle in the background, on the bottom. This guy is has a rectangle at the bottom. So the volume, so the formula is going to be V equals 1/3 times S squared times H, which is the height. So you can say 1/3 times S is the if you look at S is the psi. See the psi at the bottom is right here says 18, right? And oh, this is a square. My bad. So you gotta do like this. But this one is gonna be scratch that. So I made a mistake right here because this guy turned out to be not a square at the bottom, so we need to use a different. So this case is actually pretty easy. Just do this. It's always the area on the side. So it's the area on the side times the length. So it's the area of this triangle right here. So the area of a triangle, I know it's hard to read. It's 12 is the height, 18 is the base, right? The area of a triangle is the base times height over 2. So we gotta find out this area first, and then you have to multiply by the length, which is 38. Base is let me see, 18 times 12 and divide by 2, just like that, and then times 38. So that will be equal to 18 times 6. And then times 38. You can use your calculator. You can put a hole in the calculator, but 18 times 6 times 38. So that's 4104. Let's try that. Yeah, it's a dumb question. Let's try that. Get a new one. So you want to construct a pool that will hold this much water. If the pool is 36 feet long and 15 wide, how deep does it have to be? So let me see if I can draw this. So basically, you have like a rectangle like this. Basically, this is a pool that you're making, right? Like that, right? And this is how deep it is. Yeah, it's hard to draw on pens, but here we go. So basically, the idea is, let's see, the length is 36 feet, and then the width is 15 feet. Right. We just don't know the depth. We don't know how deep it is, but we know the volume has to be 5,400.
That's enough for right now. Enough for right now. One more. Can I have another one? No.
So you just have to divide. Basically,
you can have an apple.
the volume is length times width times height, right? So therefore, this is 5,400 equals 36 times 15 times height, right? We don't know the height, right? That's the depth. So
let me know which one you
that's
want.
5400 equals 36 times 15. Is 540. So divided by that, it will be 10 equals h. And that's all of this. Well, I'll see you in the next video.